Hello Microtronic fans, here's one more video of the next generation Microtronic. By now I have a PCB version and I'm going to show you how this Microtronic Next Generation can be used as an SD card storage interface for the real Microtronic. First let's key in a little program. It's a classic 6-digit counter that you have seen in my previous demo videos. So let's key that in quickly. And make sure it's actually running. I didn't make a mistake. There is the classic 6-digit counter. Now suppose we want to store this program onto SD card. So here we have an IC header that plugs into the cassette port interface, the expansion port of the Microtronic. And let's plug it in and see how we can store it to SD card. Okay, plugged in. Let's fire it up. There you go. Let's make sure the program is still doing okay. Started at address 0 and there it is. So in order to store this now onto the Microtronic Next Generation SD card, I'm going to use the save memory function here, which is PGM2. And that way it's going to be transmitted over the I/O port to the Microtronic Next Generation, which will receive the program and store it onto SD card. For this we also need to use PGM2 here. Then I can give it a file name. I have a file browser here, can create a name. I just call it P. And now it asks me whether it's actually supposed to emulate the 2095 cassette interface. So I'm saying yes to that. And now we can see that the Microtronic is sending the program over the wire. And we can just hit reset. You see the program has been sent successfully. These are only 0, no opcodes being sent. And it automatically, the Microtronic Next Generation automatically stopped. It has received the program and it's now on SD card. Now let's make sure that the program has been received correctly. We can now load it using the PGM1 function from the SD card. Right, there it is, p.mic, and we load it into the emulator now. This time we are saying no, don't emulate the 2095 because we want to execute it and verify it into the in the Microtronic Next Generation emulator. So we are saying no here. Yes, turbo mode. Let's load it quickly. Now it has been loaded and now we can verify that the program is there. Change the display mode so you can see it better. And now let's just run it and we should get the same 6-digit counter, right? Oh, there it is. And it's actually being slowed down because we have a delay function here. So with the delay removed, you see that it's also faster than the original actually. Okay, now let's see how we can load it back into the Microtronic. So first I'm going to erase the memory. Hold PGM5 erases the memory. Now I'm calling the load function, hold PGM1, and it's then waiting for a program from tape, and of course the tape is going to be emulated again by the Next Generation Microtronic. So I'm entering PGM1 here as well, and then I'm selecting the same program, and this time rather than loading it into the Microtronic Next Generation for emulation as we just did, I'm sending it over the wire using the 2095 cassette interface emulation mode. So I'm hitting yes now, and you can see that the LEDs are blinking here, so it's receiving data over the inputs. And this is a short program, so it's already done sending. At that point I can just hit the reset button and also hit the reset button here. So the program should now be back in the real Microtronic. Let's just verify it by running it, and you see there it is. Even though I had erased the memory before, I got the program back. Alright guys, that's it for now. I might make one more demo video of the Microtronic Next Generation and its features, but other than that, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.